Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by updating and locking down Chrome. First, open Chrome, tap More, then Settings. Make sure Chrome is updated in Google Play so patches apply. Once done, go to Site Settings and turn off pop-ups and redirects. This stops most automatic navigations. Next, tap Cookies and Site Data and consider blocking third-party cookies for suspicious sites. These steps reduce the surface area for redirect scripts to run and let you proceed to deeper cleanup with confidence. Now you'll remove sources outside the browser. Check Settings apps for anything installed around when redirects began. Uninstall apps you don't recognize and revoke any device admin privileges they hold, because some adware hides there. Then open Chrome and reset its settings. Clear cache, cookies, and site data to drop persistent scripts. You can also disable third-party browsers temporarily and run a reputable malware scanner to detect adware. This combination addresses both browser and app-level redirect causes. Finish by verifying the problem is gone. Open Chrome in incognito and browse the sites that redirected you. If cleared, your changes worked. Create a new Android user profile to isolate settings and run a full antivirus scan or reboot into safe mode to prevent third-party apps from running. If redirects continue after all attempts, back up data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if redirects persist after resetting, check for firmware level or carrier-inserted content and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.